Hi.
There has been some talk lately that one area
Is that good, Rihanna?
the chips. One technical analyst that we talked
That yummy?
said, watch them because they're at 5-year value, and you don't often get, you really get a once every 5-year opportunity to buy the chips, so keep your eye on them.
Are you chowing on it, bud?
Today, this is going to be disappointing. This is not
Oh, chocolate.
Expectations. This is a big one, and it weighs heavily, and aftermarket is not treated.
Good job, Matt. Rihanna. Your little, that's okay. Your little lips and tongue's gonna be blue, Rihanna. Oh, look at that big bite. Are you gonna take a bite? Oh, Matt's got it in his hair already. I thought it would have been your sister chowing more than you, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Put it in your mouth, sweetie. What, sweetie? Rihanna, eat it. Look. Mav's almost got it chowed down. Is that good, mister? It's usually your sister piggy note. Hmm? It's yummy, isn't it? Yeah. Rihanna just doesn't know what to do with it. Yeah. Put it in your mouth, sweetie. Yeah. You eat donuts and you've ate Becky May's cake really good. Oh, there you go.
Mom?
What, sweetie?